TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 157. NASDAQ is up 109. You got the S&Ps up 18. Gold contracts down $16.20, traded $11.59. You got silver down 9 cents at $15.74. Platinum is down 13 at $9.96 an ounce. Copper's off 3.5 pennies at $2.34 a pound. Light sweet crude's down $1 at $44.37 a barrel. Bonds, you have the 10-year down 17.6, 30-year off 1.5. The bond market, folks, intraday does have some volume. However, what is going against, meaning the pricing structures are going against, still dramatically lighter volume, pretty wild. King dollar. King dollar was up 1,300 ticks yesterday, up an additional 641 today. King dollar has taken out its September swing highs. It's the August 7th swing high that's important, but bottom line, this is the first time since August 7th that King dollar has been able to take out a swing high. Euro is down 88 at 110. Now, if we go over to the S&P and we go take a look at the S&P cash, where are we? We, folks, are at the beginning of where the downdraft started. The exact number in the cash is 2076. We're at 2074 right now. The future has hit the number. We go over to the future market. We take a look at the futures. Inside the futures, the number is 2060.50. And right now, we hit 2074.50. We're 2068.50. Inside the NDX 100, what you have is this. The NDX 100, of course, this morning and last night was on fire. You had 5 of the largest stocks up there. They've gapped up dramatically. So the beginning of the downdraft on the NDX was 4499. Okay, bottom line is that you are way over that level. We're at 4617. The high in the futures is 4677. So we'll see where this baby lays out today. Inside that NDX, okay, the firepower goes like this. You have Microsoft is up $5. Google is up $66. And inside the NDX 100, of course, you have both Google positions. And then we have Amazon is up 34. Inside the gold market, what do we have with gold? Even with the dollar, folks, up 1,800 ticks, which is almost 2 pennies. In 2 days, bottom line, they can't croak gold in on a Friday. It's going to be wild watching this shake out. Why? We've hit 1179 in gold. Right now, you're at 1161. You've done 110,000 contracts thus far. You're still at the top of the range. We go over to the bond market. We take a look at bonds. This is what you have with bonds. 10-year bond has done 666,000 contracts, has not got to a lower swing point. Now, this is a big number. So the lowest swing point on bonds, folks, is 128.05. We're at 128.14. We've hit 128.10. Bottom line is that this is going to come into a swing point with lighter volume, which is just amazing when you've had a market that was up 300 yesterday, is up 142 today. What that is saying is that people are still going into bonds, buying bonds for safety. King dollar. We go take a look at King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? King dollar right now has taken out the swing point from September with volume. We've done 28,000 contracts thus far. Bottom line, the 96, 92 is what we're talking about. We're at 97. That's saying now King dollar will make that run for the 98.74, which is the August 7th swing high. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.